What's up, guys? I'm here with a video on the spinner fidget toy. Oh, these things are everywhere. So I got the EWR white and black spinner. It's very nice. The condition I got it in was loved it. And this is sold for $25 on Amazon. So it says that it spins for a minute to 3 minutes. So we're going to test that out and see if that's true. So let me adjust it right here. And I'm going to set a timer stopwatch for that amount of time. Okay, so we'll do a tablespoon first. So let me just hit it a couple times.
Start. We'll add a second to that. So I've done this before, and honestly you can put AWD in there. Say 22 seconds,
5 with the added second. So now let's test out a hand spin with a couple of
hits. Ooh, not get low. I'll hit it. We'll add a second to that one. And this is brand new out of the package, so it's not like, oh, I stopped it.
Oops. So it's normally 26 seconds. So yeah, the build for this is actually really nice, 3D printed. The bearings, ceramic. Let's see if you can see that. So I don't know if you can see that, but good product overall. Mad that it lagged about 1 to 3 minutes, but yeah, here's the EWR spinner. It's sold on Amazon for $25. Really expensive for honestly not that good of quality for what it says. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.